Glitching AI, is it worth it? Hey guys, what is up? In this short video, we are going to go over if Glitching AI is worth it for your dropshipping needs. So Glitching AI is an AI-powered dropshipping tool that streamlines profitable product discovery, optimizes Shopify stores for higher conversions, and provides e-commerce strategies for TikTok, Facebook, and more, leveraging product trait recognition and insights to give users a competitive edge. So features are as follows: identify profitable products efficiently, quick start to finish automation, optimize Shopify store settings for increased conversion rates, and learn secrets of creating compelling ads. And lastly, AI generated product page feature. When it comes to the pricing for Glitching AI, monthly is $29.99 per month with these perks. And if you're going to go with the annual, it's going to be $39.99 per month. Per year, with pretty much the same stuff. You do get your bang for your buck when it comes to billing annually, just like any other service providers online. And when it comes to the pros and cons, the pros are as follows: optimized for Shopify, early saturation anticipation, generates digital products, automates TikTok Reels creation, Instagram-friendly advertising, highly converting landing pages, education on dropshipping, insights on profitable returns, live Discord community. And when it comes to the cons, limited to Shopify users. Again, this is Shopify exclusive. Does not support other social platforms. No free trial available. Limited to the English language. Not suitable for non-dropshippers. Monthly subscription may be expensive for small business owners. Community support limited to Discord and does not provide one-on-one assistance. So, if these are for you, then it is more than well worth it. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.